Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. This side Ayushi Thakur, Techno Functional Consultant of PBCS. So in today's session, we'll be solving the planning tickets. In today's session, we'll be solving the open planning tickets. So let's continue in the session. So today my open PBCS ticket is ticket number T_111119. My issue is August data is mistakenly loaded to September data, where I can see that with the help of smart view that my August data has been loaded to month of September. As right now I'm loading the data of month of August, as the month of September has been started right now. So in the present scenario is that I'm updating the data of September I'm updating the data of August, but by mistake I loaded in the month of September, so I have to remove the data of, from the month of September, and have to load it again in the month of August. So first of all, let us just prepare the data file, so that there can be some data with which I will remove from the month of September and will again put in the month of August. So I have just connected my my application with the smart view, where taken the HSPU as base data, taken the scenario as forecast, or you can take it as forecast is good to go, and taken the version as working, product as product X, taking the financial year FY23 and taking the quarter as Q3, where I will cover July, August, September data. Here I'll be having the entity, and here is my certain account for which I'll be loading the data. Suppose in my accounts receivable account, I have just let me load some data in month of August and September. So this is the this is the data which I have loaded in the for accounts receivable, where actually my current month is going right now the 1st September. So right now, as the month has been started, so I would not be having any data in month of September, but mistakenly I have loaded data of August into September. Suppose this is my data I have loaded by mistakenly of August into September. So I have to clear my September data, and I have to again and refill the August data. This we have done with the help of data management, but right now I'm showing you over here with the help of smart views for easy understanding. So let's go to the instance now. Okay, after that I'll just go and will create a business rule for this. My business rule is going to be where I'm going to clear the data from the September month, and will initiate the data into August month. In my presentation also I have written over here, and for the example that August data is mistakenly loaded to September month, we have to create the September month data from the following. We have to create the data in the following way, where my business rule is going to be clear data of month of September, and we'll be taking the proper intersection with that, and through with the smart view and data management we can do it. So here I will make one business rule to associate, like the data is in bulk, so that we cannot recognize our data has been loaded by mistake. But once I will check with the help of data validation, I found that the what data is going to be in month of August, it had been by mistakenly going to month of September with the by data management. So here is going to be, here I'll use the business rule. I will create the business rule over here in the plan one. I'll go to the rules, I'll right click over here, we'll add the new, let's name it as month, clear month rule, because we are doing it for a particular month. We'll select the application type and we'll select the application, what application we are working in. Select the cube as well. If you're working in any other cube, you can select that cube also. Particularly, we'll write the edit script and we'll first fix the intersection over there, and we'll give the next command in the script for the business rule, so that my data should get removed. Over here I'll go to the edit, sorry, I will go to the edit script. So over here you can just see that already the data HSP has been fixed. Let's go and write the business rule fix. Let's fix the intersection in which we are working. Tab, fix, parenthesis is open, and here I will write in inverted comma whatever intersection I'll be taking forecast. My scenario is forecast. Next, my product, this product X. If you don't remember the valid, or if you don't remember the intersection, please go and copy it from the application. Otherwise data rule will not get validated. We'll take the version as working. Next, the financial year 23, and took the I descendants of I descendants of Okay, so here I have fixed the HSP view, and fixed the scenario, my product, my version, my year, and taken the period as I descendants of quarter 3, where my quarter 3, my July, August, and September will be calculated. After that, I will just select the next. I will just give the command like clear data, and will give in the inverted commas is the month of September. Okay, so this is the rule which are okay, this is the rule which we need to validate, and will clear the data as well of the in the month of September, sorry. Now we'll end fix it, end fix 1 and the end fix 2. Okay, so I have fixed the member in which I have fixed the dimensions in which from which we are going to run the rule. So I have just written the business rule over here. My business rule is fixed, my base data, my HSP, my fix. Then we'll go to tab and we'll fix the scenario, product, version, year, and this is going to be my period of, because I'm just going to clear the data of September. So over here I've just validated and saved the rule. After that I will deploy it, we'll launch it. Let's launch the rule. Okay. Okay, as you can see now that in the month of September we are having the data. As I have launched the rule, I will go to the calculator, I will go to the business rule over here and will launch the rule from here. After launching the rule, I will just submit, I will just refresh the data. Select the name of the rule which you have made. Now launch it. After launching it, refresh the smart view. After you refresh the smart view, and now you can see that the month of September data has got removed. As now you can fill the data in month of August, loaded in a lo loaded in a proper month in which you were loading, and this has been done. Ta-da! Okay. So my first thing was that I have loaded the month of August data with the help of data management, and where I find that by mistake loaded the wrong month data. I've loaded the wrong month data into I have loaded the data in the wrong month. Then I have created a business rule of clear data, which you can see I have written it above, and launch it. After launching it, you can check with the help of smart view the data has got removed or not. After that, you can load the perfectly the data which belongs to the to that particular month. Input data in the correct month. Okay, so this is how I have just corrected my wrong data into the and used the that in correct data. This is how I have solved the ticket. Okay, now my next ticket is ticket P_121, where my issue is create EPM automation batch file to code metadata data file and run rule through batch file. Okay, so first of all, let's just recall the metadata of let's just load the metadata of cash account with the help of EPM automation batch file. So This is my metadata file of cash account where I'll be doing running with the help of EPM automation file. No, where is my file? Okay, let's just make this file again. Here I'll be loading the account and will name the account as 1110 1120 1130 1140. This is my member name which I have given. My parent is going to be 1110. My default alias name, I have to give the default alias name over here. This is my cash, and these are my okay. We'll take the member name to remember that whatever alias name we are giving it over here is correct or not. We'll take it as IDFC. Can name anything, whatever alias name you want to give, just for your as per the uh, standard alias name should be given, like IDFC Bank, ICIC Bank. Next is Axis Bank. And my data storage type will be store because these are all the children of a parent member of cash and short-term equivalents. Now save this file in a form of CSV format. Okay, now I have saved this file and will go to the instance. Now I will just initiate the now I'm going to initiate the process of EPM automation. So before proceeding to the EPM automation, let's go to the home page, and after that first we have to load this file to the inbox and outbox explorer. Go to the application, go to the overview. After going to the overview, you just right click on the option of actions. Click on actions. Here you can see the option of inbox and outbox explorer. Go over there, upload the file. We'll upload the file from here. You can just choose the file whichever wheresoever you have saved in your deck laptop or desktop. So from here we just select the file. So this is my file, and this should always be in a CSV format, otherwise this application will not accept it. As you can see, this file has been uploaded. Now close it and go from here to the dimensions. After going to the dimension, and whichever dimension we are loading the data, we will go over, we'll select that. No, sorry, we will go to the create. We will go to the import, create. Here you will select the location. The location is going to be from inbox. Choose the location, file location. Select the file, click right click over it, select the properties. In properties you can track the location of this. There is the location. We are putting the location so that the system could understand and pick the file by its own when we are going to run the file with the help of EPM automation. Where we are going to run the batch file, it should automatically save it. Take it now, save as a job, give the file name. Before that, write job over here, copy paste it at error file and give the file name as error file, so that if there is going to be error, it should be shown with the name, with the help of by the name of error job and the location whatever it was. No, I guess I'm wrong over here. Sorry, I don't. Here we have to give the file name, not the location. So here I will go and select the file name, not the location. The file name is metadata underscore cache 1. I will select that and will choose it from here and will copy paste it, not CSV, because this is a format that supports. Save it. The job, give the name job so that it could be very convenient to understand, inconvenient for you to understand, about CSV. Copy paste it over here. Okay, by over in the here in the error file name we give the error underscore job underscore metadata underscore cache 1. Save it. After saving it, go to the EPM automation batch file. Over here you have to first make the user of yourself so that it would be conveniently easy for you to run the file. Close it. Let me check that there is my username or not, available or not. Access control, manage users, create one, the name of Ayushi, password 1234. Save it. Okay, so this is the username and the password which you have created, and already I'm having my encrypted secured password because it is already there in my C drive. Here is my secured password which I don't need to open. If you will open it, it will get corrupted, it will get corrupt, sorry. And here, from here I will choose the properties, I have choose the location from this and has used it in my batch file. So this is my batch file. I'm loading the data of account. Okay, loading the data of account through the help of batch file. My given my username, given my URL, and will change my URL as well. You have to write the URL which you are using. Give the name of URL over here. Okay, and here you have to give the job name whatever you have selected from there. If you don't remember, just go over here. Go to application, go to overview. Go to this and select the create. See, as you can see over here, that already existing file is there which we need to load. So just select this proper name convention should be proper, that whatever you have written in the instance should be same written over here. You have to give your file name, whatever the file name you have given in the system, select it that from here. Okay, given my file name, after that we have to give the file name as well as the file path. This is my file name which I have copy pasted, and this is going to be my file path. Okay, so here I have in my file name I have given the file path as well as the file name, where so when the system is going to read it, it should pick it up automatically. After that, this is going to be my rule for which I'm going to run the EPM automation. Yes, everything is perfect, I guess, and let's just save it now. Save as. How to save a file and run as a form of my administrator. Write EPM metadata cache dot bat in a inverted comma. Start from starting, you have to open the inverted comma, and at closing you have to do a dot bat inverted comma close. Select the location where from wherever you want to run. I'm saving it for my easy convenience at the desktop. Now save it. After closing it, you can see at your desktop that this file is going to be there. So this is okay, this is my file, and now I'll select the file. As you can see, the file has already been taken by the form of EPM automation mode, where you don't need to drag and drop the file in an EPM command or in command prompt. So from here I will right click on the mouse and will select run as an administrator. As you can see, the file is running. The encryption is completed successfully. Login has been also done successfully. Whatever the script we write in EPM automation command, that it follows that particularly. Like that, first I have written that I have to delete the file, that so it has completely deleted the file successfully. After that, you can just see from here that the metadata has been imported successfully. The command has been came, and we'll just check it also with the help of SmartView that the metadata which I have imported in the application has been has been loaded successfully or not. So after that my metadata completed successfully, metadata import was successful. Okay, so when I was working in the application, I have shown you that whatever three more accounts I have added in the Excel file, it was not there in my application. So let me check that whether it has been loaded or not. If you want to check that whatever EPM automation you have run, it has been done successfully or not, you can go and check it in the jobs option, where you can see that yes, the metadata job cache one has been completed with 43 seconds ago. Go to the navigator, go to the dimensions, go to your go select the parent member 1100. Okay, after that when you will drag and drop it, you can see that whatever three more account which I have added, 1120, 1130, 1140, has been loaded successfully with the help of EPM automation. Okay, so this is how we load the metadata through EPM automation. Now how to load data file and run the data file with the help run the data rule file with the help of batch file. That for that I need time, and I have to do the operation with the help of data management as well. So that I'll explain this in the next session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for attending my session.